In this video, I'm going to show you how to analyze an Excel document. This is an Excel sheet of a sample product that I have on sales based on region and item, unit cost, cost of it, and the total cost across a number of dates over here. So I'm going to have ChatGPT analyze this Excel sheet. So all I need is to come to the plus sign here, add a file, and then I can go all the way to where I saved it. I have it over here, and then I can import it, and then I can ask the question, okay, can you give me analysis of this Excel data? So I can just go ahead and hit on enter. And let's see how fantastic this is going to explain the data on. So it is analyzing it, analyzed data. You can see the table, the tabulated results, and the results on its own. Okay, so this is a critical analysis of the data. Okay, it has picked in all the data, results, as well as each column analysis, data type, total, and the item. And then here is the analysis of your Excel data. So the summary overview, this is it. Sales by region, top sales by revenue, sales by item, key insights, and so on. So you can see now this is the key insight that you can pick derived from the data in that Excel sheet. So this is very detailed, and you can bring in any of your Excel sheet containing any kind of data, and ChatGPT is going to explain or analyze it for you just like the way it analyzed this one. And if you like, you can plot charts with this. You can plot some curves. Let's see. Can you give me a bar chart to understand this better? Now it is generating the bar chart. Okay, so this is basically how to analyze your Excel data using ChatGPT. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.